Cybertronians are getting ready to mobilize. The boy's pheromone level suggests he wants to mate with the female. Wow, that was tingly.
This area serves as the Autobots' hangar.
This fool is terribly misinformed. Electrify! Tank back those afterburners!
Oh, humans. I thought their war was with the Autobots.
There's nothing to fear. He locked himself away to guard the pillars. Autobots, attack! Move! Go! Order that break! Charge the pillars! You fought bravely. There will be days when we lose faith.
He's on the run! He's on the run!
No! Please! Hold your fire! Oh, Medical Officer Ratchet! I'm a friend! What's wrong with you humans? Lockdown.
No, that's an Autobot there.